Okay, welcome to the third of three different ways of coding button click events. As a quick recap, you learned in Press My Buttons 1 that we created one action performed method that handled all events, click events, for one class. In sample 2, which is called Press My Buttons 2, we saw how we've been doing it for most of the last 2 weeks, where we created a inner class for each button. And in this sample, I'm going to show you how we create anonymous inner classes. And this is the most similar to how Microsoft implements button click events in Visual Studio. So you'll see right here, anything in red is where it's a change. For each object that you want an eventifier, you must register or link the object for event handling by instantiating the anonymous inner class that you coded to handle the event. So let's scroll down. And you will see we have a button exit and we add the action listener. And you will see that we have the paren here. That paren's corresponding end is here. And we do a new action listener and we put the call to its constructor. This curly brace marks the beginning. This curly brace marks the end. And here's the public void action performed, and we have a system.exit. So you see all of this is linked to the button. And we come down here, we have JButton press me, add action listener, new action listener, and here's the curly brace that starts it, here's the curly brace that ends that anonymous inner class. Again, whenever you see action listener, we need to have a public void action performed that takes the event in, and here we have a JOption pane that pops up. So you can see that there's no need to code. We have to code an inner class, but you don't have to code a named inner class and link it to the button. Here, you have your button, and then right here on the add action listener, you put all the code you want. So really, you always have to have this. You always have this curly brace. You always have to have these, and you always have the action public void action performed curly brace there to here. Here's where you would put your code. Same thing, as you can see, it's pretty much the same, but here's where you put your code you want. All right, and let's go see how that executes. Again, you can see here's the code, and right here is the anonymous inner class. Okay, and here too. And let's run it. Press me, same event as in the other two, but done a different way.